Hi, I'm Malik McKinley. You may be familiar with how to read and interpret a Praxis score report to understand candidate performance on a test. But did you know Praxis score reports include category scores? Category scores can offer more than just a snapshot of how an individual candidate performed. When used strategically, they can guide program-level improvements in curriculum, instruction, and candidate support. Praxis tests report both scaled scores for the overall test and raw points for each content category on the test. While scaled scores determine whether a candidate passed, raw points helps us understand how they performed within specific content areas. Each content category, such as algebra, geometry, or reading comprehension, shows two key numbers: raw points earned, the number of correct answers; raw points available, the total possible questions in that category. By comparing these numbers, you can pinpoint content-specific strengths and areas of improvement. For example, if a candidate earned 15 out of 18 points in algebra, but only 6 out of 15 in geometry, that suggests potential gaps in content understanding, or perhaps in how we're supporting candidates in that area. When category scores are analyzed across multiple candidates, patterns emerge. Consistent underperformance in a specific content category may highlight a need to strengthen instruction, adjust course content, or provide targeted review opportunities. This information can be especially valuable during curriculum reviews or accreditation preparation, offering evidence-based insights into how well your program is equipping candidates for success. Don't forget, Praxis score reports also include the overall scaled score, passing status based on your state's qualifying score, the score range for all test takers, and highest scores from any previous attempts within the past 10 years. Let's say you're reviewing Praxis core math scores. If many candidates are scoring 15 out of 18 in algebra and geometry, but just 8 out of 20 in data interpretation and representation statistics and probability, that tells you where additional supports may be needed. Praxis category scores are more than numbers. They're a tool for reflection and refinement. By analyzing them thoughtfully, you can make data-informed decisions to enhance instruction, boost candidate readiness, and strengthen your program overall. If you'd like to schedule a training or need more information, contact your Director of Educational Partnerships or reach out to the email on this screen.